This is the moment we've been waiting for. The future of foldables is finally here. The box is huge, and for a good reason. Let's open it up. Just look at this packaging, and look at this layer. A slim case, the cable, and yes, a 45-watt adapter is finally back in the box. Samsung ships it fully unfolded, so you meet that massive 10-inch display right away. But holding it? It feels unreal. Just 3.9 millimeters thin. It's basically all screen. Closed up, it's a standard 6.5-inch device. But open it, and you have a desktop in your pocket. The magic happens here. The dual hinges fold inward, turning this tablet back into a phone.